If you are an account owner or administrator, you can add users to your account. Just go to your user profile, then find Users, Plans and Billing. Under the Users tab, select Add User. Here you'll need to enter their name and email address. The phone number field is optional. Finally, decide on the type of user access you'd like them to have. Administrators will have full access to the account and all permissions, with the exception of being able to delete the account. A standard user can be added by the account owner or an administrator, who can grant them different privileges on the Permissions tab. If you are on the business plan, you'll also have the option to add a focused user. If you've chosen User, click Next to configure their permissions. You can check or uncheck any of the boxes depending on your own preferences and how you want to manage your CRM data. You can always come back and change the permissions for a user or a focused user at any time. And once you're done, hit Send Email. The user will now receive an email which will instruct them on how to set up their password and build their account.